Welcome back! This is Dr. J. I believe knowledge is power and sharing is caring. I will be bringing facts and evidence into life and also share areas of my passion, including medicine, fitness, health, lifestyle, and beauty. Today, I'm going to be talking about skincare, as you can see from my skincare products. And as I promised from my last video, I'm going to be going over specific skincare products that I've been using that has been working really well for me. And these are the products that will be great for other people who also have atopic or sensitive skin similar to myself. One thing I want to highlight is the fact that everyone has different skin types, and therefore each of these skin regimens should be tailored to your own needs. And some of the products that I'm going to go over today may not work necessarily well for you. So just keep that in mind. And also, I'm not a believer that more expensive products are actually better. I think finding the right skincare products for your skin is much more important. And good news on that is the fact that all the products that I use are very affordable, which are under $100. And I really hope that some of the skincare products that I use work well for you too. So let's get started! So let's start with cleansers. I use two different cleansers, and first that I use is to remove the makeup and daily sunscreen as well. The one that I use is Michelle Solution from Bioderma, very gentle on the skin. And afterwards, I would then cleanse my face using a Jiyeh Joo cleanser, which I started recently using. And this actually comes in different forms depending on your skin type. The one that I'm using is for normal to oily skin. What I like about this product, it has little beads in it that actually provides exfoliating function. This tends to be on the pricier side though compared to other products that I use. And prior to using this, I used to use the cleanser from CeraVe and also Cetaphil, which are as equally good, very cost effective and gentle on your skin as well. So after cleansing my face, I will then use a toner, and I use the one specifically from The Ordinary, and this is glycolic acid 7% toning solution. I have to say this can be a bit irritating, especially when you're starting to use it initially. What I do is I will usually put some just on a cotton and dab it gently, sparingly across my face. And afterwards, I would then use this mist, and it's from a bean, and it's a thermal spring water, and it actually helps provide that extra moisture and also helps soothe my skin afterwards. So now moving on to my facial serums. For facial serums, I do change it up a bit depending on the time of the day, the season, and depending on the needs of my skin. During the daytime, I usually mix hyaluronic acid serum together with the vitamin C and E serum. For the hyaluronic acid, I use the one from The Ordinary. So this is hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5. It provides the extra moisture to my skin, and I will then mix it with the vitamin C and E serum from Youth. And full disclosure, I did get this for free, which was sponsored to me. And so far, I haven't had any skin trouble, which is a great news because I do have a very sensitive skin, and it tends to react very easily to any skincare products that I try. And vitamin C or E products are important to add during your daytime routine because it provides an antioxidant effect. For nighttime serum, what I do is I will mix the hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary with the retinol product from The Ordinary as well, and this is retinol 0.2% in squalane. This was the first retinol product that I started using, and for people who don't know, retinol products are good, which has anti-aging effects. One thing that you have to remember though is that it could be irritating. It can also cause significant drying of your skin and redness. and also can cause photosensitivity, and therefore it's very important to apply only at nighttime. And if it is your first time applying the retinol product, just use a pea-sized amount, very tiny amount, and try once in 2 days or once in 3 days and see how your skin tolerates it. And if your skin tolerates it okay, then you can gradually build it up to once daily. During the winter time, or when I know that my skin tends to get really dry, I add additional facial serum, and it's from Ordinary again, and it's called 100% organic cold pressed rose hip seed oil. Very long name, but it just provides an extra oil and also moisture and helps keep my skin smooth and nice. So moving on to moisturizers, I use two different ones. So one that I use is from CeraVe, and specifically I use the one for PM, and it's a facial moisturizing lotion. I actually apply during the daytime as well as nighttime as well. Very gentle on the skin and very easily tolerable. The other thing that I tend to add at nighttime, or when I know that my skin tends to get dry, is the cream from La Roche-Posay. So cream tends to be a lot thicker in texture when you compare with the lotion, and tends to be more intensely moisturizing. So this is what I use, and I love La Roche-Posay brand in general, which is very good for sensitive skin. So last but not least is the sunscreen. Sunscreen is literally my best friend. I apply it every day throughout the year, regardless of whether it's raining or snowing. And this is literally my ritual before going outside. And I use the one from La Roche-Posay, 60 SPF, and it's in a lotion form. Very gentle on the skin. And one additional thing that I like about this product is that if I apply it before putting on makeup, it actually helps create that glassier look on my face, which I love. But at the same time, for people who actually have oilier skin type, this may not necessarily work that well for you. So just keep that in mind. So that's all about the skincare products that I'm currently applying, and we'll see whether I become more adventurous and try out different skincare products. And if I do, I will definitely keep you guys posted. If you end up trying some of the skincare products that I recommended today, make sure to comment below and then let me know how it goes. If you have other skincare products that you really like, make sure to comment below as well. I would love to learn. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to comment below and also click like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll come back with a better content next time, so make sure to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Till then, take care!